Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've finally started to get our 2022 televisions in. The first one we're gonna unbox for you this year is the Samsung QN90B series. This is the Neo QLED, new version of the QN90A from last year. We're gonna open up the box, show you how to do that properly, show you what's inside, and then give our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. Here you've got all the accessories that come in the box. You have a slightly updated remote with that little solar panel on the back of it for charging. Then you have your power cable and your pedestal pieces along with some screws to affix that pedestal to the back of the TV. Okay, so we've got the TV all set up and on its pedestal. We've had a few minutes to kind of take a look at the picture, see what it's all about. And there really wasn't much changed from the QN90A to the QN90B. However, that being said, it's still a really great picture. Off-angle viewing looks really nice so far. Color quality looks fantastic, and it's got 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs on the back of it. So there were a few upgrades. We're gonna talk more about that all in our overview video, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. As always, we appreciate you checking out our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.